Welcome to your 2-minute refresh of the 4 phases of debriefing, the theory-based model of debriefing with good judgment. The 4 phases include introduction, reactions, understanding, and summary. The introduction phase is about orienting the learners to the debriefing process. You can refresh the basic assumption here, and talk about your role, what their roles are, and what your expectations are for the conversation. Then you're going to move to reactions, and the reactions phase has 3 distinct areas. First is feelings, so allowing the learners to engage in emotion before cognition and asking them a present tense question. How are you feeling now? And whatever they give you, it could be emotion, it could be cognition, it's where they are and just allows them to get things out on the table and allows you to see what's important to them. You're going to share the facts of the case and your overall impression of their performance. So they want to know how you think they did. You're going to spend the bulk of the debriefing in the understanding phase, and the understanding phase is about learning through your learning objectives. So for each learning objective, you're going to go through this microcycle of exploring using that conversational strategy of advocacy inquiry to open the conversation. Then you're going to have your normal conversational questions and follow-up and discussion to understand the learner's frames. Then you're going to discuss and teach where the gap is now that you've discovered it, and then generalize and apply to new learning experiences. You are going to do this microcycle for as many learning objectives as you have. Next, you're going to turn to the final phase, which is all about the learners. So we should be refraining from telling them what they've learned and ask them to tell us what they've learned. And the only time we speak up is when they say something that is clinically wrong. Otherwise, this is all about the learners. Thanks so much. Hope you will listen to our next podcast on advocacy inquiry, a conversational strategy.